Right, another little job to do. Get on camera. Get on camera, Dan. My cousin, Dan. Doing a little wall for him. Tim's here. Josh is still poorly. Show you what we need to do. So we're just going to put this wall up here in block, laid flat. Get it up to about here. And then he's putting a couple of lights in. And we're going to return it back here. We're going to leave it off this, because that's foundation of next door's wall. So we're going to come back here and then backfill it so it don't move. That what's same, and it's just collapsed when he dug it out. Well, a couple of days later actually, when it rained. So we've got some kind of step things to build there. Just getting gobbo now. We've got some ready mix on go, so be a lot easier for us. Courtesy of Dan, yeah. What did you get it for? It was cheap. What did you pay?
Well, I paid 40 quid a tub, but if you want it for above ground, it's only 35 quid a tub.
35 quid a tub for above ground. He's got the below ground for 40. Do you have to pay for tubs, or are they yours?
Then you rent them, but you get it back 70 quid for iron.
Oh, and then you get it back?
Deposit, yeah.
That's alright.
It works out, if I'm mixing this amount, buying gear myself and mixing myself, it works out 25 quid in gear.
Yeah.
And then you've got all the time to do it, going up and down.
Has he got a trailer to pick it up?
Not worth doing.
Right, do a bit. I don't know what we're like for level, but I'm just going to bed this thing down first, and then we'll go from there. Might do it. We could do it big trowel, really, to be fair. What is this? Oh,
that is big one.
You're too busy videoing already.
Dan's getting a camera stand, so I'm probably standing there. These are the heavy blocks. Well, it's level. That bit is. That one block is.
What foundations that level wise?
Probably shocking, because it's got about an inch at this end.
I didn't even look.
It don't matter, we can, it being a thingy wall, we can just build it up steady. It don't really matter. I'm just going to throw this down as a dead man for that.
I don't want no dead man in my garden.
Now line through. I can get it somewhat level. Right, do you wanna? You might as well get a couple of shovels, right, and just shovel it in here, and then saves me getting it off the board, doesn't it?
Well, let's just fill barrow up then. Fill barrow, bring barrow across, send it in. See, my plan, what a good idea it is. If I've got some meat, bring barrow further across. So you all got to well, you do that, will you? Stick your head right to the back of the garage. Yeah. Next to the pillar drill, there's some black gloves. I don't know if they're in a tub or not. Get a pair out. Yeah. Some black and orange and the shit, my hands are too big.
Take my hat off now.
Got a sweat on, old cock?
Well, I'm up a bit now, like. So warm up with these blocks, aren't you?
I used to get, when I was with these blocks, I used to get contact with them.
I think, what do we need? A big bed up. So we've got a bed up. So this needs to be big bed, small bed.
We need to get
cardboard box.
We need to get sponsored by Red Bull.
Red Bull.
With amount I can drink.
Why didn't you sort that shit here?
Yeah.
I feel very...
So smoking, what you two so you don't smoke, do you, man?
No, you vapes.
Vape, like.
Well, that's not very good for you neither, is it?
But I've got no blocks, boys. Got no blocks.
Listen, I might have said how you been, but I'm lying. Is it beneath you walking over here to get some blocks?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Don't swear at him.
Here,
Don't
catch.
swear at him.
Catch.
I can't get blocks.
I'll bet you can.
Strip the whole
Above the bridge.
No, just this course we're going to put some bit of piping, just a little bit of water out if we need to on this course. Then on this side we've got like a, I've just put a dog leg in there. I've just dog legged that back because it was too far off at that end, so I've just sort of like, that's not square anymore. But it'll make it a bit better because you've got to get in round there, you've got to get in. You know, we're building an extension on this conservatory is going, and it's going to be an extension. Right, I need massive beds here. I think we're good.
Yeah?
If you want an answer, put that pipe with. If you go in garage, back them out like that one wall, and if you want wall.
Alright, mate.
So, big beds. We'll try and if we can get it level when we get to the top, we're laughing, aren't we?
Yeah.
I just hope this stuff goes off because start building these massive beds up here and then we'll start moving on them. Yeah. So every time we tap it, it's creeping out the bottom. Can't see the level there. The juggler.
Guys, no river for gas.
Alright, I'm going to try and squeeze a block under this step because there's no odd in it. Will it fit though? Yep. Yeah. And then hopefully. Yeah. Just going, yeah. That should hold it, shouldn't it?
Should do.
Coming up. So all this collapsed, so yeah. I'll do it, won't it?
Yeah.
Lod that. I'm going anywhere. Then he's going to fill all that. Probably have to do the same with this one here. Look, there's a big hole here. Just fill it up. Could throw a load of gobble down there, and all I might do actually. Fill it up. We've got a fair bit of gobble here, haven't we?
Yeah.
I'm not going to waste it all, right?
Nah, we've got quite a bit to be honest, mate.
There we go, what? Right, I'll just put some cups in here and then we'll carry on. Get it up a bit, nearly ready for lights to go in. Wires, well, wires for lights. Yeah, what's he doing? Fixing my grinders, look. Fixing all my tools while we're doing now, while we're building. You can't be charging me. I ain't got time for that shit, have I? Building walls for idiots like you.
Only 30 quid a minute.
Yeah, free, and then Bud's gonna charge you £3 a block, I think.
Well, that's fine, I'll charge you 30 quid a minute. You'll charge me 30 quid a block. Well.
Oh, I've got these lights in here. Wires for them anyway.
Who's got them lights in there? Wires.
Yeah, there's one here. We got the wires.
The corner's knocking off road for them to come through.
Do they use that wood? No, it'll be alright. Get it in bed.
I can take it off the door.
No, fine. The wide joints anyway. Should be alright. Put them up like that. I'll say that'll do for today. Got them in. Be able to put a table and chairs there. It was here, that wall, look. It went straight down here, tight up against this. Right, we're back. I've just put couple on there, and then Josh has just gone with Dan to get some copings. I don't know what they're going to be, either Indian stone or concrete, or whatever they can get. And then they're going to go on top of that height, so Josh can fill on him when he gets back. I'm going to have to sort this out. He won't sit slanted because he's going to make some railings, and he don't want to be trying to do this like, so he's just going to, we're going to slant it, and then he can make railings just go straight down to that, then it'll all get rendered and stuff. Right then, I'll start here somewhere. This wall's a bit of a mess. It's out there because this wall just went like that.
10 mil out or something.
Yeah, I'll show you how bad these walls are. Look at this one.
On the tilt.
Oh, you can see it. I'm not leaning that. That is just leaning. The camera's not leaning. The wall is leaning. Literally like that. And posts are leaning, so it does look square. Because posts like that, he's going to build a new thing on there, I think. Right, crack on with this. Like you see this line, this is what we're going from. It goes from here to here. The file down there, pencil. Put that to about here. I give it 10 mil. Hopefully, we can cut that. Put that back on. Right, we've got that in. Just need an half at back of there, but we're pretty much ready for the copings. So copings up back of here, they're just gonna have to be filled. You see that? Filled back up, and then we'll cut them along there. And then I think we've got these sun's out. Look in this spot. It's not where we're working, but it's that. Yeah, Indian stone, slice them down the middle. Use them. Putting some primer on the back of them, help them stick a bit. Easy, easy, whatever. Easy joint, easy seal, easy care, easy repair, whatever it's called. Anyway, it's just easy primer.
Just easy.
Easy. Apparently, it's easy. Yeah, I've got a spread up there, so we'll go up there first, might as well, and then top, and then some bigger cuts at bottom. We've just got a couple of blocks here as a stop. The thing is, really, because these walls are out there. Where have I got to? Don't really matter about too much overhang, because it's all going to be rendered. What we've got there, not a lot. What we've got there, a mountain. Right. I'd say that's about even, so we'll do 40 mil, and then, you know, once it gets like 20 render on it, will only be 20 mil. I'm not going to tap it down yet till I get others on. Yeah, 40 mil either side, it's alright. Right, get another Tim. Got that other one ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll have it. Send it. Send it.
You got it?
Yeah. Measure that. Looks alright.
10 metre mark.
That side, perfect. Huh?
Tape measure.
Tape measure?
Yeah, it's straight to it.
What have I got? 2 tapes?
Yeah. On both of them. Oh.
Right, I'll just go this way, out flat bit if I can. I'm not bothered putting out on that end because he's literally going to drill it anyway, so when it's drilled through for fence, his steel fence that he's putting on, should be alright. Got no rubber on me, no?
My RX start cutting while I'm filming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start spreading next and onto there. So yeah, not bad. Just get this finished off. Try and make this look neat against this wall, 'cause this is where it's finished. It's it having render on this bit. It might have render on. Oh, it might render that. I don't know. I doubt it though. That is it. Just got that bit of step to clean up. We're just tidying up now. But yeah, it's alright, that, isn't it? That's the view from the top lot. Just render back of there where it comes. Fill these great big gaping holes in. And then he's having a fence and then a handrail going down there. And I think he's going to do something with this in future. That's why this has just all been left. We've got an extension to build at some point. It's going, comes out there, across there. All this conservatory top goes. Bottom's staying in, and then it's getting bricked up. Then it's going to have some weird shaped roof on it, and then I think he's going to render it back of it, or I'm going to do it. Who knows? Yeah, might end up rendering it. Might end up being down for rendering if I can be asked. So yeah, like just kept this bit in. Look where we put it where we put it wide, because we didn't want to disturb this wall, so you'll be able to rest your pint pot on that when you get some garden furniture in there. Look, it should be alright. Right, if you like this video, give us a subscribe, give us a like, drop us a comment if you want, and I shall see you in the next one. See you later.